Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamantungwa Khumalo. Here are the top 5 biggest mistakes first-time home buyers make. The first is not doing your research. It's really important that you do your research not only about the type of area you want, but also the types of bonds that you might be able to get in order to finance your property. The second mistake a lot of us make is not understanding how much you can afford. There's more to home ownership than paying the bond, so you want to make sure that you budget for all those extra costs that go into home ownership. The third is making sure that everything is written down. You want to make sure that all those T's and C's are included in your offer to purchase, down to when the date of occupation is going to be. The fourth one is taking on additional debt. You're probably very excited about moving into your new place. Maybe you want to buy new furniture and really upgrade your new home, but make sure you can actually afford it. It's okay if you take a few months before you can actually save up for that new furniture. Not inspecting the home before you buy. Usually we fall in love with the place the first time we buy it, but you really want to go for that second or even third view. If it means going back over the weekend to get a sense of the neighborhood, do so. Make sure you view that property more than once before signing that offer to purchase. For more tips and advice on all things property, go to our blog on www.builders.co.za.